Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Linda from Make Money Online. Before that, we are going to my topic. Kindly click subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. If you have a time, kindly click my social media above my videos like Twitter, Facebook, and other website and Pinterest. Thank you. Okay guys, we are here how to sign up in Easy1Up. What is Easy1Up? Easy1Up is all about empowering entrepreneurs how to one-up their competition by continuing to learn and develop new strategies. So what we have done is put together 5 different courses that are already making an impact for people around the world. These courses offer many hours of training to keep you up to date on some of the latest trends in the market. Okay, we are here on how to sign up and Easy1Up. First, watch these 2 videos for Joshua Elder and Paolo Barroso. And you will finish these videos if you are a member of Easy1Up. Click here to log in and upgrade if you are already have an Easy1Up account. Or if you are not, click this step 1, join Easy1Up and get all of the 10 bonuses. And then this is my affiliate form that you can register or fill up this form, putting your email address, your first name, last name, and your country, username, password, CAPTCHA code, and click I agree to this term. And then click Start Now. By the way, I am Linda Darcy. I believe in helping others succeed. Ask me about financing program on how to get started. If you have any question, don't hesitate to message to on vidilota@hotmail.fr. And then if you are finished this, to click Start Now. And then you will confirm your email address. Look at your email inbox to confirm your email address. And then we are going to step 2. Step 2, create your funnel, free funnel XROI account. Make 100% of your product payment back on your first referral. So we are going to click this step 2, create your free funnel. And then this is the video again that you will watching first. And if you will finish, click here to get started with me. And then this is the caption page that you will enter your email address, this area, and then click Get Instant Access. Again, look at your email address again to confirm this form. At the back this page, there are bonuses that you can access for Joshua and Paolo Barroso. You can read these bonuses for Joshua and Paolo bonuses also. And then if you are finished this, to sign up for Easy1Up, or if you have already a Easy1Up, you can earn 100% of your product payment back on your first referral. This is the example of Joshua Easy1Up back office dashboard. He earned already $83,975,000. He have 223 active members only, and unpaid members there are 1,223 person. And there are also another person under Prosser, McDonald, and then these are results and testimonial. Inside of your product or Easy1Up account, you will see these results and testimonial. Like this, after our first 2 months of promoting, this also top earners, annual, or you can watch this video also for the testimonial. And that's all. Again guys, if you are interested, click step 1, join Easy1Up and get all of the 10 bonuses. Note, after you make your payment, send an email to vtlota@hotmail.fr with your receipt as proof of payment and your best email, and we will send over your bonuses via email. And then step 2, don't forget to click this also, create your free funnel X ROI account. And then if you have a questions, message me on Facebook, click this. And this is my Facebook account that you can message to me in message area. And then that is all about guys. For more information, click the link below for my description, or if you are interested, kindly click this step 1 to create your Easy1Up account and your free funnel ROI account. That it is all about guys, my video. And don't forget to press the subscribe button for updates about all the latest videos of our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon and never miss a single notification from us. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.